Howdy folks, how y'all is? Down in Dallas today, checking on a restaurant, new event space, doing a walkthrough over there and stuff. It's a beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous today. It is 57 degrees and blue skies, and the snow has melted, so yeah, good times. So I'm doing an event at a place we have never done an event for this week, and I'd like to go do a walkthrough on a deal like that, just to see what you're getting into, how to set up, how to load in equipment and stuff like that, and what all you're dealing with. It's always good to have a little bit of reconnaissance on stuff like that, so you don't go into a place blindfolded. But yeah, it's going to be a good event, and looks like the COVID cases are starting to fall back down, so we're going to be getting some more business again and getting some sense of normality again, which is good. Well, folks, we got a lot accomplished today. A lot. All the way to the end there. We staggered all these seams and rebraced and tried to really do this the right way. As you can see here, got all these, everything's in there. There's a 2x6s and all that's bolted and screwed in the right way. So this should last for quite a while. But yeah, good stuff. I'm worn out. My shoulder's been hurting pretty bad, and I've been busy. I had a day to try to wrap some of this up post-apocalyptic freeze, so yeah, getting there. It was a beautiful day today, about 60 degrees, so that was awesome to have some nice weather for a change after all that freezing. It's pretty cold tonight. It's back to right about freezing right now, but nice beautiful day today to get some work done around here, and we got a lot done, so very happy with that. We got some big time catering coming up this week, so we'll try to show you some of that stuff, and yeah, thanks for joining us in this short video, and we'll have some food for you here in the next week or so, the next video or two. I do have a really cool video coming up. I bought a Russian MRE, and of course I don't speak Russian or read Russian, so that was it was challenging to know what I was eating, but hey, we figured it out, and that's coming up. That's a cool video, so that'll be up this week. So stay tuned for more to come, and we will see you guys next time.